I have decided to do a new hair tutorial for you guys. I'm finally gonna show you how my curly hair routine looks like. I mean, 90% of all the questions and requests that I get on my blog, Instagram and everywhere is about my hair. So my curly hair routine looks like and how my hair gets anti-freeze and this big and fluffy. So I'm just gonna get started and I hope you will like it. So here you have the products that I have been using in the shower today. It's Hems Vanilla Plume Shampoo and Triple Moisture Conditioner, also from Hems. And of course I had to use some of this Elvital Balsam too today, because if not my hair won't calibrate. And I know, I'm so sorry my hairdresser, but I had to use it today. And of course you can use whatever you want, but just make sure that it fits your hair texture. So usually I'm very careful and gentle with my hair after coming out from the shower, because I have to make sure that my curls are still there and the shape is as I want. And I never brush my hair after the shower, because then my hair will only get like frizzy and everything. So today I will be using those two products. The first one is from Got to Be Glowed. It's a gel, and the other one is from OPV Hair. I think it is a serum or it's an oil. Anyways, I have been using it only for like some month, but I do love it. I have been using every day since the first time I tested it out, so it's very good because the consistency is so thick. And the gel, of course, I have been using it for like years and I love it. So usually I will stop the process right here, but since I will be using a hair dryer today, I also have to use head protection spray and the anti-freeze spray, just to make sure that my hair doesn't get frizzy and too big. Guys, I'm now done with my hair. I mean, this is actually shocking for me, because usually, I know that I have big curly hair and usually it gets so big and everything, but the curls went like, it's so curly and fluffy and everything in one. This is not an everyday thing, I promise. Like, when I have a bad hair day, it's bad, trust me. It's almost like I want to cry and I just want to stay inside forever. But this time it was actually very nice, and even that I'm not used to use hair dryer, but because I prefer to just let it air dry. So guys, I'm now done with this video. I really hope that this was helpful for you, and I really hope that you can share your secrets with me down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos. And I wish you a very good day or night. Bye bye, see you in the next video.